redneck.
Well, the boys round.
Saturday morning, first morning of the hunt. Teddy did good. I'm just getting over here now. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
5 by 5?
5 by 5.
Oh, yeah. Congratulations.
No, thank you. Thank you very much.
We'll drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer, talking about.
Okay, so the detail is it was probably right about 230, 240 yards. It was about 11:15, 11:30 this morning.
Excuse me, some of us have to go to work. We got time for showbiz.
We were watching 3 cow elk, 2 or 3 cow elk, and so we were actually paying attention, and I happened to look back, and in one of the openings this bull was standing. And I said to Uncle Ed, or I said to Ed, it's a bull, it's a shooter,
Boom!
Bam! And that pretty much
ears.
was it.
The girls round here, they all deserve a whistle, shaking that sugar sweet as Dixie Crystal. They like that yawling southern drawl and just can't help it 'cause they just keep falling.
Well, we're halfway home. 2 hindquarters still up on the hill. We got packs, guns, antlers, front shoulders, and back straps back to the truck. So, time to shed some clothes. Get him in his underwear over there.
Forget about the 2 old men you come off the hill too.
Oh yeah.
It'll be really nice, or it is nice, to be at 3:15 and basically done with the torture and the punishment.
What's that? Besides butchering?
And getting the hindquarters.
Yeah.
A little ride to the river. Let's ride. That's right. Lay a blanket on the ground. Kissing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town. Have you ever got down with a do you wanna get down with a girl, you gotta get down with the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer.
Here we are in the second evening of the hunt off of Polish Rock, as we refer to it now. Not a lot of activity today, so I figured I'd take a video in the evening here, give you guys a visual on what I've looked at all day. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any elk up this way, but that's why it's called hunting.
I'm one of them boys round here.
All right,
It was busy.
we got third evening. Obviously, you can tell it's getting pretty dark here. Coming down off the hill, not really knowing where we were. Kind of lost, yeah, I won't admit it, but we kind of were. If we get down here and this is where that little cabin is, then we're not lost. But anyway, just happened to be in the right place at the right time. Uncle Ed saw some legs moving through the trees after probably, what, 20 minutes of crab crawling.
He actually saw horns first.
Oh, really?
I saw a body and then I saw the rack like this.
So anyway, I crawled on my ass for about 200.
75 yards.
I was gonna say 200. Felt like 200. We'll go with 100. And then I saw him going up over the hill. Can't really see a whole lot, but we're in some thick stuff here, some thick pines. Knew that I was running out of daylight here, so I ran up over the hill and I popped my head up over, and sure enough, I saw them and they spooked, and the only one I could really get a shot at was this one, fortunately.
Considering that all the other ones were does except for one.
No, there was more.
There was another shooter. All I saw was horns, and he went down after a while. 5 shots later, I don't know what hit where, but this is the end result. Third day of the season, Colorado, 2013.
And the first time that you and I
Ever got in the same year?
Yeah, that we've gotten in the same year.
Yeah. 3 days apart. It's actually a 4x5. I'll see if I can lift that head up there. Got a 4x5. It's kind of the same as last year, a little bit bigger, I think, though.
Yeah.
See if we can get some daily,
wider, it's
some
heavier.
snow behind it.
Wider, heavier, and the tines are long.
Listen to the Beatles run old Bo Cephas through a jukebox needle at the honky tonk where their boots stomp all night. What?
That's right.
Yeah, and what they call work a digging in the dirt. Gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid to get the girl in your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls.
Alright, we're on the morning recovery mission. Getting ready to head up the mountain. We got our packs packed with our lunches, and that's about it. Can't really see where we're heading, but it's about 4 miles that way. So what's the current time? Anybody have a watch?
Yeah, 10 till 10.
10 till 10. We're figuring about 4-hour round trip. Probably make that 5. We'll see how it goes.
Well, the boys round here, they're keeping it country. Ain't a damn one know how to do the Dougie. No, I'm not in Kentucky, but these girls round here, yep, they still love me. Yeah, the girls round here, they all deserve a whistle. Shaking that sugar sweet as Dixie.
Hour and a half in to the hike in. We're not there yet. We're getting there.
Hour and 40.
Got a little colder now that the snow set in.
I'm dying.
Just don't look behind you and just keep walking. We got, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a mile to go, something like that, but this is what we do for fun. Get up, walk up a mountain.
I'm having so much fun.
Alright, this is 2013 Colorado Elk Hunt. Figure I get a little GoPro video here. We've been hiking for how long? 2 hours and 5 minutes so far? 2 hours and 5 minutes from the car. We're just about to where I shot my bull last night, 3rd day of the season. Starting to get a little blizzard here. Yeah, you never know the bear might.
Yeah, really. Get some pictures of the bear here.
We out of town.
That's right.
Have you ever?
No. He didn't lighten our load any, that's for sure, huh? Taking a little bit off.
Alright, we're at the first pit stop, which is basically, what, up 200 or 300 yards maybe?
Yeah.
Up a mountain. Fortunately, the rest of it's downhill. Sure feels good to take that pack off your back. Even though we just put them on maybe 10 minutes ago. Still.
Not just your God.
What's the purpose of all this again? Sometimes with the weight on your back, you just look for any kind of rock to get down off of. Even if it don't look like anything. As long as you can set the pack down, that's all that matters.
You're walking, you stay warm. You stop, you freeze.
You don't want to pause too long for the cause.
So we're maybe an hour into our descent here. Definitely warmer coming down this way.
Come on, girl, hop inside. It's me and you, we're gonna take a little ride.
That's right.
Lay a blanket on the ground.
Alright, almost back to the truck. Figured I'd let you guys enjoy the last 500 or so yards of the pack out.
That was the fun part, trying to figure out how to get this pack off my back. Ballpark probably 80, 90, 100 pounds. I have the 2 front quarters. My dad and Uncle Ed each have a rear hind quarter. So.
Just a walk in the park, right?
Now, I have so much energy now,
And we got proof.
I might be able to get into the truck.
It's right here. Right here. You're welcome.
What is it? 62 and 61?
Yep.
Yeah. Well,
2.5, but who's counting?
and I'm not quite 61 for about another
Couple of
week and a
3
half.
2 weeks. Success.
We're down.
And the time,
And the time, final time check.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
5 5 hours and 10 minutes.
5 hours and 10 minutes, probably between 6.5 miles round trip. And I can hear this coming behind us, so we'll get some video of the cheaters here. Some people walk and girls take quads. Ladies, good luck, ladies.
Top 3 longest packs,
The hardest.
hardest packs.
This is without a doubt the hardest one that I've been.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here, sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco spit. Oh heck.
Alright, we're on Wednesday morning of the hunt. We're finishing up butchering here in the hotel. Butchered for what, maybe 4 hours last night?
Till today.
Till midnight? Nah, probably more like 6 hours last night. We butchered one whole elk. Last night took us 6 hours. We're cleaning up this morning with hind quarter, front quarter, and 2 back straps. We left a little bit of meat for the guys in camp. Pot of burger meat. We basically filled this thing up twice. I would say full, it's about 30 pounds a pot, so we're looking at about 60 pound of burger meat going home. Steak meat, chops meat, working on the fillets right now, so told the guys to be careful on that stuff.
Get over here and show us.
Video is so much easier.
Yeah.
Let's ride through the countryside.
Time for the old man to take a shower.
Yeah, first one this
Get
week.
cleaned up.
We have some antlers and clothes and unmade beds strewn all over the place. Uncle Ed's bed standing up in the air.
That's the way he sleeps. They strap him in.
Strap him in, he has to sleep standing up.
Don't wiggle around.
Let's ride.
Have you ever got down with a?
Let's ride.
Do you wanna get down with a?
Let's ride.
Girl, you gotta get down with the boys round here, drinking that ice cold beer, talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them.
So here we are at the Gunnison, basically house of sheds. This is just insane. Some of these racks. I like this one up here. I don't, unfortunately, they don't have what they would score, but I mean, I don't even know what to say. Needless to say, we didn't find anything quite like any of these, but hey.
Them boys round here,
Let's ride. Let's ride.
well, all I'm thinking about is you and me. How we
In the back corner here, just a whole pile of sheds. Pick your own shed.
inside, me and you, we gonna take a little ride.
Need a small clip for Ben here, see if he recognizes this.
On the ground, kissing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
Girl, you gotta get down with the.
Let's ride. Let's
Come
ride.
on, through the countryside.
Well, for the second time in 3 years, we're going home with more than we came with, so that's always a good thing. Plenty of coolers full of meat, and some kind of thing wrapped up in garbage bags and duct tape right there. All pretty sweet. We had a good year. Thanks 2013. Hope to do it again soon. Red, 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 red,